Hi everyone, my name is Ankush and welcome back to Learnomate Technologies YouTube channel. Again, today's video is all about the Oracle database administration concept, and I am here to talk about a real-time scenario which is normally happened with all the database administrator. So what is the scenario? And this is very important for your Oracle DBA preparations also. So scenario is pretty much simple. I have a table, someone deleted the table without any intention, and we do not have a backup also. How to do that? So let me show you practically. So what I will do, let me create this table under u1 schema. So I'll say u1 dot, okay. So I created this table. Now what I will do, I'm going to insert some data. So let me copy the statement, replace all, okay. So let me insert some data. So I have done that. Now if I do select star from which table, cost details, so I can see there are some data which is available over here. Now what I will do, I'll just drop this table. So I'll say drop table and table name. Remember, I'm dropping a table but I don't have a backup available, so I'm dropping a table. Now how to restore that? So if you want to restore a table which is dropped without having a backup, there is one option is like you can check whether your recycle bin option is enabled or not. So if I fire show parameter recycle, so when I'm checking that my recycle bin option is on, it means whenever I'm dropping any table, that table will be going into the recycle bin, just like our Windows operating system. So if you check my recycle bin of my Windows operating system, any file which I have deleted is going into the recycle bin. But first of all, let's verify whether it is available or not into the recycle bin. If I just call the metadata table called db_recycle bin, I will get all the object which is available in the recycle bin, but I want where object name equals to u1. No, not the u1. Or let's do one thing, why to call this. Let's see that here only. I will not use filter condition. Let me see. So if I run it, I can see so many objects are available in the recycle bin, but now I am interested with the object which is having the original name as course details. This is the one which I'm looking for. Now how to restore the table which you have dropped? It's very simple. The option is drop. So what I will do, I'll just flashback it. I'll say flashback table. What is the table name? My table name is this one, u1 dot course table to before drop. Remember, I don't have a table now because the table I have already dropped. When I run this command, now I can see the table is available. Select star from u1 dot course details, and I got the table back. So what you understood from here, if you have deleted any production table, not you, basically your developer has deleted any production table, you can restore it if your recycle bin option is on. Another condition is he should not delete it with the purge option. If he deleted with the purge option, then it means the table got dropped permanently. You cannot, if it is deleted with purge options, means it got deleted permanently. This is one important thing. But there are multiple other ways are there. If your recycle bin is not on, if you use purge also, still you can restore your deleted table. That I will explain you in the next video. But this is a real-time scenario. If you like it, let me know in the comment section as interested, so that I'll get to know that okay, you are looking for next video. Another important thing is, if you are looking for real-time database training and you are looking for a good package in the database administration without writing down a single line of code, and you are not interested in coding, reach out to the Learnomate. We have offline, online batches, Hindi and English batches. Both batches are available. Thank you.